What does a lion say?
Wow.
What does a puppy say? What about a dinosaur? Huh?
That's what a dinosaur says?
What about a kangaroo? What's a kangaroo say?
Wow.
No, a kangaroo. What's a kangaroo say? Hop, 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 hop. What does a kitty say? What about a cow? What's he say? What does she say? Oh, here's my favorite. What about a donkey? What's a donkey say?
Hee-haw.
Hee-haw.
That's a donkey.
Yeah. What does Adelaide say?
Why?
Close.
We're like, wah.
What does a birdie say?
Tweet,
Tweet, tweet. That's right. What does a cardinal say? That's a winner? That's a winner.
Kyle.
Go Cardinals! What does Pawpaw say?
Why? Why?
Okay.
Why?
Gallywally.
He says Gally Wally.
Why? Papa.
Kelly, do you love your baby sister?
Yep.
Yep.
Mommy and Adelaide.
Yeah.
I see Adelaide and Adelaide. And Mommy.
Where are they at? Where are they? There they are.
I want to get down.
Okay. Whoop.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you for being nice.
Papa.